Hello everyone. Welcome in today's newspaper on Wednesday, May the 27th, 2020. In this additional, we have 5 Sudokus: a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. Total of 5 Sudokus. So why don't we start right away? So let's get started. Alright, let me see. Let me see. I see here the 1 in this row, a 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. How about the 2 in this column, A2 in the middle column? So the column next, the only 2 places for A2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. How about the 5 in this row, a 5 in that row? So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. This big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. I see here 5. No 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5. No 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be here. 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 5. So let me see. How about the number? That was my alarm. How about the number? The number. Yes. In the last row, we have 3 missing numbers. The numbers are the 2, the 8, and the 9. I see here the 2 and the 9. So no 2 and the 9 in this box. That means the 8 is left. The 2 and the 9 goes there. I mark them. It's easier, and because those are pairs. So we have a 2 in the last row, a 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about the number? The 4 in this row, the 4 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 in this row, a 1 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. These 2 numbers are left for the numbers in this big square. For the number 7 and 8 as a pair, so I mark them. That means 1 box left in this row for the number 6. 6 is missing, yes. 6 is missing. These 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Then, how about... Yeah. These 2 numbers, the missing numbers here in this column, are the numbers 8 and 4. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And then... Yeah. I don't think this is a 1 star. It's supposed to be maybe 3 star. 2 star, 3 star. Alright. 6. So we have 1 6 there, so only 2 places for the 6 there. 5. That means here 5, there 5. In the first column, the missing numbers are the 5, the 8, and the 4. 5, 8, 4. For only 1 8, so I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. I think I need to mark some boxes, otherwise I cannot continue. We have a 9 in this column. That means in this big square, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. We have a 5 in the third column. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column, so in the first column. Only these 2 boxes for the 5. Yes. Mark them again. 7 in this middle row, that means no 7 in these 2 boxes. The 7 goes there. That means 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below. These 2 7s in those 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above. These 2 boxes for the 2. One in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, those 2 boxes for the 1, because we have a 1 over there. Same like the second column, we have a 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So here 1 and there 1, because we have a 1 over there. 2, 6. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Now I have a 1 box left for the 7, should be there. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 3 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 numbers left now in the first column, the 4 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. These 2 numbers in the middle column, the 9 and the 7 are left. The other 3 numbers are the 4, the 5, and the 3. I see here the 3 and the 5. So no 3 and a 5 here. That means 1 digit left for the 4. We have here the 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. How about these 2 numbers? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. I mark them. Those are pairs. How about these 2 6s? 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last of in the middle row we have a 6 here. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 6 goes there. But we have a 4 in this column, a 4 in the first column. So in the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. What I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. That means the 9 goes there. We have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 9. And this should be a 2. 9. That means in this column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be there. So in the first row, we have a 9. One of the missing number is a 9. I cannot place the 9 there. So the 9 goes there in one of those 2 boxes. Alright. Yeah, we have a pair. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 4 should be there, together with the 2. But I see here 4, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And that means this box should be for the 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be the 3. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 7. Then 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Depends on those 2 boxes for the 9. How about these 2 boxes? We have there 9 and 6. This should be the 7 and the 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. We have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. 7 should be here. And the 8 goes there. These 3 numbers are the 1, the 2. We have a 2 there, so the 2 goes here. And the 8. We have an 8 here, so the 8 goes there. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Let me see. These 3 boxes in the 3rd row, the 1, 2, and the 6 is missing. Here goes also the 6. Need to wait. How about these 3 numbers, the 8, 2, and the 7. The 7. We need a 7 here in this row. The only 2 boxes left for the 7 should be here or there. What I see here, 7. No 7 there. 7 should be there. So we have 8 and the 2 left. 8 and the 2. 8 and the 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Here we have 1, 2, and 8 and 1. We have a 2 here. That means this should be a 1. And this should be an 8. In the first row, 2 missing numbers, 9 and a 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9. This should be the 6. We've now a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6. This should be the 6. And the final number here, the number 2. Yes! Finish in 17 minutes. Alright, I've told you it takes a little bit longer for a 1 star. I don't think this is a 1 star. This should be a 2 stars or maybe a 3 star. Alright, thank you for watching. And a thumbs up if you like this Sudoku. Otherwise, I will see you in a minute. Bye bye.